Ever wondered how AI is revolutionizing the gaming industry? Let's take a moment to appreciate the magnificence of this digital revolution. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a part of the gaming industry since its early days, but it was simpler back then. The earliest examples of AI in gaming were more about scripting than true intelligence. In games like Space Invaders or Pac-Man, the enemies followed predetermined paths, their actions dictated by a set of hard-coded rules. But as technology advanced, so did the role of AI in our games. The simplistic, predictable enemy movements of the past evolved into complex, dynamic behaviors. With titles like Half-Life in the late 90s, we began to see enemies that could work together, flank the player, and retreat when injured. These behaviors created a more immersive and challenging gameplay experience, the kind that keeps us on the edge of our seats. Fast forward to the new millennium, and the AI in our games is more sophisticated than ever. We now have virtual characters that can learn, adapt, and react to the player's actions. Games like Fear and Alien Isolation showcase AI opponents that can plan, strategize, and terrify players in entirely new ways. AI has also shaped the world of strategy games. Titles like StarCraft and Civilization feature AI opponents that can manage resources, build armies, and wage wars, all while adapting to the player's strategies. This dynamic gameplay creates a unique experience every time we play. And let's not forget the role of AI in creating realistic, immersive environments. With AI, game worlds can change and adapt, reflecting the consequences of our actions. This level of realism was merely a dream a few decades ago. From simple beginnings, AI has now become a vital part of the gaming experience. But this is just the dawn of AI in gaming. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, the role of AI in our games will only become more significant, more immersive, and more thrilling. So buckle up, gamers, because the future of gaming with AI looks incredibly exciting. Imagine a game that learns from you, adapts to your style, and constantly challenges you. This is not just a wild dream, it's the reality of today's gaming world thanks to artificial intelligence. AI is transforming the way we play games, making them smarter, more immersive, and incredibly personalized. At the heart of this revolution are machine learning and neural networks. Think of these as the brain of AI. They work together to analyze, learn, and adapt based on the player's actions. Whether you're a stealthy sniper or a bold warrior, the AI recognizes your style and adjusts the game accordingly. But how does this all work? Well, let's break it down. Machine learning is all about enabling AI to learn from experience, much like how we humans do. When you play a game, the AI observes your actions, your strategies, your successes, and even your failures. It then uses this information to create a model of your gaming style. Neural networks, on the other hand, mimic the human brain's own network of neurons to process and interpret this information. They're responsible for the AI's ability to understand complex patterns and make decisions based on them. This is how the AI can predict your next move or devise a counter-strategy that challenges you in new and unexpected ways. But the magic of AI doesn't stop there. As you continue to play, the AI continues to learn. It evolves with you, constantly refining its understanding of your style and improving its responses. This means the game becomes more challenging and engaging over time, keeping you on your toes and pushing you to develop your skills. This is the power of AI in gaming. It's a dynamic, responsive system that grows with the player. No two players will have the same experience because the AI tailors the gameplay to each individual's style. It's not just about playing a game anymore, it's about interacting with a system that understands and adapts to you. The result? Every player gets a unique, tailored gaming experience. With AI, gaming is no longer a one-size-fits-all affair. It's a deeply personalized journey that evolves with you, offering endless challenges and surprises. This is the future of gaming, and we're living it right now. With AI, game worlds are no longer static, they're alive and ever-changing. This statement perfectly encapsulates the power of procedural generation, a technology that is revolutionizing the gaming landscape. Procedural generation is a method that uses algorithms to automatically create content. It's like having a master artist at your disposal, painting landscapes, designing buildings, and creating characters on the fly. But this artist doesn't just create one masterpiece, it can create countless variations, all unique and all in real time. In the realm of gaming, procedural generation is used to create expansive and diverse game worlds. Imagine setting foot in a forest where no two trees are alike. or exploring a city where every building is distinct, right down to the graffiti on the walls. With procedural generation, these dynamic and ever-changing environments are a reality. Take, for instance, the game No Man's Sky. This game features over 18 quintillion unique planets, each with its own ecosystem, wildlife, and weather patterns. This vast universe is not pre-designed by artists, but procedurally generated using complex algorithms. Or consider Minecraft, a game where players can interact with an endless, blocky world. Every mountain, cave, and river is generated on the spot as players explore further. The beauty of this is that players can never predict what they'll encounter next, adding a layer of thrill and excitement to the gameplay. Procedural generation doesn't just stop at environments, it also extends to gameplay elements. In games like Rogue Legacy and The Binding of Isaac, each playthrough offers a new layout of rooms, enemy placements, and treasure locations. This ensures that no two playthroughs are alike, keeping the gameplay fresh and unpredictable. In essence, procedural generation is like a magician's hat, constantly pulling out surprises and ensuring that players always have new and exciting experiences to look forward to. It's also a powerful tool for game developers, allowing them to create rich and expansive game worlds without the need for exhaustive manual design. No two experiences are ever the same thanks to the power of procedural generation. So next time you dive into a game world, remember that it's not just a static backdrop but a living, breathing universe shaped and reshaped by the power of AI. AI is not just enhancing single-player games, it's transforming the multiplayer experience too. So let's dive a bit deeper into how this technology is making waves in the realm of multiplayer gaming. You see, one of the biggest challenges in multiplayer games is creating a fair and balanced environment for all players, and this is where AI steps in, with its ability to optimize player experiences and level the playing field. Let's talk about matchmaking. In the past, players were often paired up randomly, which could lead to frustrating mismatches. But now, thanks to AI, we have sophisticated matchmaking systems that take into account a variety of factors. These systems analyze player skill levels, play styles, and even the time they've spent playing the game. Then, using this data, the AI works to pair up players who are likely to have a competitive and enjoyable game together. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also being used to refine skill-based competitions. By studying player behavior and learning from it, AI can help to create more balanced and fair competition. It can detect patterns, identify strengths and weaknesses, and even predict player actions. This not only makes the game more challenging but also more rewarding. And what about those pesky cheaters? Well, AI has something for them too. Sophisticated AI algorithms can detect unusual behavior patterns that could indicate cheating, helping to maintain a fair and respectful gaming environment for everyone. Beyond fairness and balance, AI is also helping to make multiplayer games more engaging. It can create dynamic and unpredictable gameplay scenarios, making each game unique and exciting. It can even adapt the game environment in real time based on the player's actions, creating a truly immersive gaming experience. In many ways, AI is like the invisible hand guiding the multiplayer gaming experience, ensuring that every player, regardless of their skill level or experience, can have a fun and fair game. So, next time you jump into a multiplayer game, remember, multiplayer gaming is more balanced and fair, all thanks to AI. Imagine having an AI-powered companion in your game, providing assistance, companionship, and even emotional support. Sounds cool, right? Well, that's the future we're walking into. The gaming world is witnessing a revolutionary shift, a rise in AI-powered game companions. These aren't your run-of-the-mill NPCs just aimlessly wandering around game worlds. No, these AI companions are intelligent, responsive, and adaptive. They learn from your actions, understand your gameplay style, and adjust their tactics accordingly. They're not just there to make the game feel populated, they're there to enhance your gaming experience. Think about it. These AI-powered companions can provide assistance when you're stuck in a tough spot, strategize with you in complex scenarios, or simply provide company in a vast, open-world adventure. They can even recognize and respond to your emotional cues, providing support when you're frustrated or celebrating your victories with you. This level of interaction and emotional connection brings a whole new layer of immersion to gaming. But how are these AI companions created? It's a blend of advanced machine learning algorithms, neural networks, and natural language processing technology. Developers feed these systems a ton of data from player behaviors to game mechanics, enabling the AI to learn, adapt, and respond in real time. These game companions are not just smart, they're also unpredictable, adding a new level of challenge to games. They can devise strategies you might not anticipate, forcing you to think on your feet. They can adapt to your actions, making your gaming experience unique every single time. And it's not just about the gameplay. AI companions are also transforming storytelling in games. They can be integral parts of the narrative, reacting to plot twists and even influencing the storyline based on your decisions. In essence, AI-powered game companions are making games more immersive, interactive, and unpredictable. They're not just characters in the game, they're becoming part of your gaming journey, making every adventure more personal, more engaging, and more memorable. AI-powered game companions are making games more immersive and interactive. So, are you ready to welcome these AI companions into your gaming world? The potential of AI in gaming is vast and largely untapped. As we look to the future, AI is poised to revolutionize the gaming industry in ways we can only begin to imagine. One of the most promising aspects of AI in gaming is the enhancement of storytelling capabilities. Imagine a game that tailors its narrative to your choices, creating a truly personalized adventure. AI can weave intricate storylines that adapt and evolve based on your decisions, making every playthrough unique. Moreover, AI can introduce adaptive difficulty levels, ensuring that games are always challenging, yet never frustrating. It can analyze your performance, learn your strengths and weaknesses, and adjust the difficulty in real time. This ensures a gaming experience that's always just right for you, pushing your skills to the limit without pushing you over the edge. But perhaps the most thrilling prospect is the advent of truly immersive virtual reality experiences. AI can make virtual worlds feel more alive than ever before, populated with intelligent characters that react realistically to your actions. It can create environments that change and evolve, mirroring the unpredictability of the real world. Imagine stepping into a game and feeling the virtual wind on your face, hearing the rustle of leaves, seeing characters that express genuine emotions. With AI, this could be more than just a dream. It's a future that's within our grasp. Furthermore, AI has the potential to create entirely new genres and gameplay mechanics. We've only scratched the surface of what's possible. AI could give rise to games that challenge us in ways we've never been challenged before, games that engage us on a deeper emotional level, games that blur the lines between reality and fantasy. The future of gaming with AI is not just exciting, it's transformative. It's about more than just making games more fun or realistic. It's about creating experiences that resonate with us, that touch us, that make us think and feel. It's about pushing the boundaries of what games can be. So, are you ready to embrace this revolution?